As a designer, you want to spend as much time as possible creating and perfecting your designs. Let's hear what our SolidWorks users are saying.
The best situation would be to not have to leave SolidWorks to do the other functions that my job requires.
With the 3D Experience platform, you don't have to leave SolidWorks to get feedback on your designs. Sharing your designs is as easy as a click of a button directly from SolidWorks.
And it would definitely make organization and presenting my work and how it grew as I worked on it a lot easier.
With the 3D Experience platform, you don't have to leave SolidWorks to get feedback on your designs.
I would like to eliminate meetings from my daily workflow. They tie up too much time when I could be modeling.
With real-time collaboration tools, everyone in your organization can participate in the same project without the hassle.